So in this video we are going to study about how to identify what you need to actually charge, how your pricing should be working, and you should know what your ideal price, right? So first of all, you need to identify your skill, what actually you are working upon, right? Suppose you are a software developer, so identify your skill. Suppose you are a WordPress developer, right? And this is your primary skill, right? Note it down here. Primary skill. WordPress development is your primary skill. Apart from that, there are your secondary skills. What are your secondary skills? It might be sales. You are working as a sales guy. You are managing yourself because that is also your secondary skill. Apart from that, you might be using some software. And next is how much profit do you want to keep? Right. So here you need to think about, suppose here you need to write upon your experience. Suppose your experience is 3 years in WordPress development, you have 5 years of sales experience, and you have 1 year of managing experience. Suppose the softwares are free, and how much profit you want to keep out of a project, right? So just let's see, for example, the ideal profit a one should keep should be around minimum 50%, because we open businesses for profits and not for neutralizing what we have already spent upon, right? So here you need to calculate upon a WordPress developer whose primary skill is WordPress development and have 3 years of experience, how much they might be charging. I assume they are getting 30k per month. Next is sales. A person who has sales skill and 5 years of experience in your industry, how much they will be charging? I assume they will be charging 40k per month. If you hire a manager worth 1 year of experience, how much they be charging? I assume they will be charging 20k per month. Softwares are of course free, but they can be you can charge it as well, right? In future they will be paid. So this is simply, these are your skills, right? So currently you are working alone, or you might be working on yourself or somehow, but in future as your business grows, you might need to get out of the business yourself and work on the business yourself, and you might need to hire these people, WordPress developers, sales, managers. You might need to hire these people, and then you need to pay them these salaries. I don't expect that there will be a certain day when you will be eventually hiring these people out of nowhere, right? It can be any time, right? It's getting yourself a financial freedom. Basically, when you will be working on this project, you don't have time to strategize, to bring sales, to work on your work-life balance, to spend time with your family, right? So then you need to hire these people. If a person is a WordPress developer, he can't be the sales guy. If a person is a sales guy, he can't be manager as well, right? So we need to assume that we are hiring 3 people to do the same stuff that you are doing, right? So in that case, these are their approximate salaries. So how much profit you want to keep? That is 50% of overall these things, right? So if we calculate all these, 30, 70, and it's 90k per month, right? So it's 90k per month, right? And you want to keep 50% of the profit. That's approximately 45k per month, right? So now that's approximately 1.5 L per month. if we calculate these both of the things, that's approximately we keep it here, that's approximately around 1.5 L per month. Now this is your ideal charge. Suppose you are working 40 hours a week. That's an ideal time a person should work, because that's an ideal time a person under you will be working 40 hours a week, right? And you might be working 4 weeks in a month. That's approximately 160 hours in a month. So let's find out your per hour charge. That's 1,50,000 divided by 160. So your per hour charge is 937 rupees. On the basis of that, whenever you need to schedule a pricing, keep this figure in mind, 937. Estimate the time that you need to spend upon it and multiply it accordingly. Suppose you are doing a 4-day project, so that will be approximately 8 hours a day and 32 hours for 4 days equals to 937 multiply by 32. So ideally you might be charging 29,000 minimum. This should be your minimum price that you might be charging for a 4 days of work if you are continuously working 32 hours. Apart from that, you also need to think upon another things, like for example, if you are spending time with any of the useless person, you are simply wasting this amount every hour. I hope you get an idea. Thank you.